Okay, good morning everyone. I'm just making this video just in case I can't make it for the first part of the lesson because I have a doctor's appointment and I may or may not be available to do the live lesson. So here we go. We're going to learn how to add and subtract fractions. So there's two skills that we need to use, and these are skills that or three actually, skills that we've already been learning about the past week or two. So the first one is you may sometimes need to make the two denominators the same, and they may well already be like multiples of each other. For example, we've got the 10 here is already, we can make 20. 20 is already a multiple of 10. So we can just double the numerator and the denominator of this fraction to give us an equivalent fraction of 5/10, which is 10/20. And now it's super easy because the denominators are the same, which is what we want. Now we can just focus on the numerators and we just literally add the numerators up. So 10 plus 4 is 14. The denominators, we do not add them up because the size of the piece doesn't change. It's just like in imagining there's 10 slices of pizza and each slice is the size of a 20th, and then we've got 4 other slices of pizza, and again the size of those slices are also 20th. So the size, the denominator, does not change. That is why we do not add that up. The second skill is another one that we've practiced, this time where the multiples, it is not easy to get one to become the other. For example, 8, we cannot do anything to 8 for it to become 10, so we need to think about lowest common multiples. So we could think about 8 and 10 like that. So we've got like 10, 20, 30, 40. And we've got, you may already know the answer, we've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So the lowest common multiple is 40. So we're going to make the denominator for both 40 because that is the common multiple that they share. So for the 8, the one with the 8 as a denominator, we need to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it's 5 times 8. So 5 times 8 made 40. So now we need to do 5 times 5 so that it's the same thing happening to the denominator and the numerator. So 5 times 5 is 25. So these two are equivalent fractions. And for the 10, we need to do 10 times 4 to become 40. So now we need to do 5 times 4 to become 20. And now it's just a matter of minusing, subtracting numerators. So we've got 25 minus 20, which leaves 5. And once again, the size of each piece does not change. They are still 40ths. Okay? So that's the general 2 things to remember. Now, if possible as well, we will be trying to simplify our answers. So if we think about common factors between 5 and 40 is 5. So I can do 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then 40 divided by 5 is 8. So to simplify this answer, it would be 1/8. So here is the success criteria. First of all, find the lowest common multiple. So for 12 and 15, that is 180. Then you convert, you find equivalent fractions. So you find out how much you need to multiply each time. Then you just add or subtract the numerators to get your answer, your first answer. And then if possible, you think about any common factors that the numerator and the denominator have, like you've done before, and then you proceed to simplify. Please try the hardest challenge that you can, and you can do more than one challenge. I want you to keep going until the end, until the answers are released, just like you would do in a normal lesson. So keep going until 5 minutes to go, and then go to the Google Classrooms and check the answers and see how you got on that day. I'll be online as well. I'll still be able to talk to you for sure, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to share my screen because I may be at the hospital. Okay, bye for now, everyone.